Hey everybody, Loretta Calvert here from Legally Quirky, and I'm so excited because it's out. It's here. My friends are ordering it. Other people from my Facebook groups are ordering it. Say Yes to Yourself, the book that I wrote about my experiences dating the year after my divorce. It's meant to be educational and entertaining. And so if you would like to support me, you can buy it from Amazon. This copy, the soft cover copy, is $8.99 and the Kindle version is $3.99. So it's pretty hard to explain just how naive I was when I started dating again. I had been married for 20 years and dating changed a lot during the time that I was married. So whether you are new to dating and just getting yourself out there because you're a young person in your 20s, or if you're like me, you're in your 50s and you're just starting to date again after a divorce, or maybe you had a long-term commitment that ended, I recommend the book. It will put a smile on your face and it has a call to action that yes to yourself. Say yes to yourself and not what other people want for you. Be true to yourself. Thanks. Bye.